Hi everyone, Ashley here, functional health coach at Live Well Chiropractic, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here tonight for what I think is one of the most important conversations that we can have about health, and that's energy. Because let's be honest, how many of you woke up this morning already feeling tired or needed coffee, maybe even two, just to get through the day, or felt like no matter how early you go to bed, you still feel exhausted when you wake up? Is that anybody? That was me too. I used to think I was just overworked or not sleeping enough, or maybe I just needed to take more vitamins. But the truth is, none of those things fixed it. And that's because what keeps us going, what actually gives us energy, isn't just how many hours you sleep or how much coffee you drink. It's something much deeper happening at the cellular level, inside each and every cell in your body. Tonight, we're going to uncover what's really going on when you're chronically drained, even though you're doing everything right. We're going to talk about why your cells are running on empty and what you can do about it. So here's what you'll walk away with tonight. 3 key things you need to start doing right now to claim your energy, and 5 really common mistakes you might be making that are actually keeping you stuck in the fatigue cycle, even if you think you're being healthy. And maybe most importantly, I'm going to explain why more sleep, more supplements, or more coffee haven't solved your fatigue, and what actually will. So if you're tired of being tired and you want to know how to wake up feeling truly restored again, you're in the right place. Let's crack the code. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter so much? Why should you stop what you're doing and really pay attention tonight? The truth is, fatigue isn't just an inconvenience, it's your body trying to get your attention. It's a sign of a deeper imbalance. And if you ignore it, it doesn't just go away, it's going to get worse. Energy isn't just about feeling awake, it's what your body uses to repair, to fight infections, to regulate your hormones, to think clearly, even to feel joy and motivation again. That's why tonight is so important, because you're going to learn what's really draining your energy and, more importantly, how to fix it. And I don't just want you to leave here knowing the theory. I want you to leave with clear, actionable steps. So tonight, I'm going to walk you through 3 things you need to start doing if you want to break that fatigue cycle for good, and 5 really common mistakes people make, even health conscious people, that keep them stuck. And here's the good news. Once you understand what's really happening inside your body, you can finally stop guessing, stop wasting time and money, and actually heal at the root level. So what's really going on? It's not just stress, not just bad sleep. The real problem starts here, inside your cells. What you're looking at is called a cellular energy crisis. Every single cell in your body has little energy factories called mitochondria. They take the food you eat and the oxygen you breathe and turn them into something called ATP. Think of ATP as the battery power for your body. Without enough ATP, your brain gets foggy, your mood dips, your muscles feel weak, and you feel tired, no matter how much sleep you get. But here's the catch. When your mitochondria aren't functioning well, when they're damaged, clogged up, or overwhelmed, your body can't make enough ATP, and then your body starts running on empty. This is why you can sleep for 8 hours and still wake up feeling like you barely slept at all. It's not just about how much time you spend in bed, it's about what's happening inside your cells. The good news, you can restore mitochondrial function, and when you do, you can finally restore your energy at the source. So this is something I know from personal experience. I remember thinking my exhaustion was just burnout, that if I just rested more, ate healthier, maybe took more supplements, I'd feel better. But nothing really worked. No matter how much I rested, I still felt completely drained. And it was so frustrating. It wasn't until I learned about mitochondrial health that things finally started to make sense. My body wasn't broken, it was just running on empty. Once I started supporting my mitochondria, everything shifted. My mood stabilized, my focus improved, and for the first time in years, I felt like myself again. without needing to rely on caffeine or naps just to get through the day. So if you ever felt like that, like you're stuck in a body that just won't cooperate, you're not broken either, your cells just need some help. And it's not just me. Let me tell you about Jane, one of my clients. So she used to crash every afternoon and had to nap just to get through the day. Road trips would completely wipe her out. She'd feel like a zombie for days afterwards, but once she started supporting her mitochondria, she noticed a huge shift. She could get through the day without crashing and even made a long road trip from this summer from Iowa to Arizona without feeling wiped out. That's what's possible when you fix the problem at its root. I have another client, I was just on the call with him last Thursday, and I just started him on our product that I'm going to be chatting about later, and he noticed he didn't need a nap mid-afternoon. He had energy all day long. His name's Ben, so I'm sure he'd be more than happy for me to share his client success story, but mitochondria function was something that was very low for him, and we've been working on optimizing mitochondrial function, and within a week of focusing on that, he actually noticed a big difference. So now that we know the root of your fatigue is happening at a cellular level, the next question is, what is damaging your mitochondria? What's keeping your cells from making the energy you need to function? And here's where it gets really eye-opening, because it's not just one thing. Most of us are being hit from multiple angles every single day. First one being environmental toxins. So we live in what's called a toxin-burdened society. Your mitochondria were never designed to handle the level of toxins we're exposed to now, from pesticides, herbicides, plastics, flame retardants, and furniture, personal care products, to heavy metals in our water and food. These toxins act like sludge in your energy factories. They damage your mitochondrial membranes, block key enzymes, and even trigger mutations in your mitochondrial DNA. Over time, this creates a state of chronic low-level inflammation called cellular stress. And the result? You feel exhausted and often inflamed, foggy, or even achy. But the thing is, most doctors don't test for this, but we can. I used advanced environmental toxin panels through Vibrant Wellness that can show us your body's levels of mold toxins, glyphosate, heavy metals, and even petrochemicals, the exact molecules that may be clogging up your system. It's empowering to see what's actually there, and more importantly, what to do about it. Another thing is chronic stress. So that's your invisible drain. When your body stays in a state of fight or flight, or even at a low level, it burns through your energy reserves faster than you can replace them. Elevated cortisol signals your body to prioritize survival over repair, which diverts resources away from your mitochondria and leaves you feeling run down and wired at the same time. And it's not just emotional stress. Infections, toxins, gut inflammation, and even hidden food sensitivities can create that internal stress that your body responds to the same way. So we can measure this too. With hormone and adrenal testing, I can see what your cortisol rhythm looks like, if your stress response is flatlined or even overactive, and design a protocol to get your nervous system back into balance. Another thing is poor sleep quality, not just hours in bed. Most people don't realize this. Deep restorative sleep is when your mitochondria actually repair and regenerate. Without that, you literally start each day with depleted batteries. And what's worse, poor mitochondrial function itself can disrupt your circadian rhythm, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's a vicious cycle, and it's why sleep supplements alone rarely fix the problem. Through advanced metabolic and toxin testing, we can uncover if things like blood sugar swings or liver congestion or toxin load are disrupting your sleep at a deeper level and address it at the root. Another thing is nutrient deficiencies, starving your cells. So your mitochondria needs dozens of micronutrients to run the ATP production cycle efficiently. So just a few examples. Magnesium is critical for ATP synthesis. B vitamins are essential cofactors, and CoQ10 acts as a spark plug. An amino acid repairs mitochondrial membranes. But our modern diets, even healthy ones, plus gut dysfunction and poor absorption, leave many of us running on empty. So even if you're eating well, your cells may still be starving. So one of my favorite tests for this is the Vibrant Micronutrient Panel. It gives a full snapshot of intercellular nutrient status, not just what's in your blood, but what's actually getting into your cells and being used. So the point is, you don't have to guess anymore. You don't have to keep throwing supplements at the wall and hoping something sticks. We now have access to incredibly advanced functional tests that tell us exactly what's draining your energy at the molecular level. And once we know what you're dealing with, we can create a personalized roadmap to repair the damage, recharge your mitochondria, and restore your energy for good. So if you've ever wondered, why am I tired all the time? This is how we finally get real answers. And if you're curious what's really going on in your body, I'd love to talk with you about testing and next steps. We also offer a free 15-minute discovery call with me to find out if this kind of advanced work is right for you. So just go ahead and call the office, 814-624-0606 extension 2, and we can talk through your options, whether you'd like to work virtually or even in the office. So mistake number one, in relying on those stimulants to push through. We've all done it. We wake up groggy, grab a coffee, we hit the afternoon slump, grab another one, maybe add some sugar. And while it works short term, stimulants actually stress your nervous system, drain your adrenals, and force your mitochondria to burn through energy they don't have, leaving you even more depleted in the long run. Mistake number two is assuming sleep equals recovery. Many people think that as long as they get enough hours in bed, they're fine. But quantity is not the same as quality. If your circadian rhythm is off, your mitochondria cannot repair at night, or if you're waking frequently, your body doesn't recover. That's why you wake up still tired, even though you slept. Another thing is overtraining or doing the wrong kind of exercise. Exercise is great, but when your body is already depleted, doing high intensity or long duration cardio can actually create more oxidative stress and further damage your mitochondria. Your cells need the right kind of movement at the right intensity to help recover. Mistake number four is guessing instead of testing. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see. People spend hundreds of dollars on random supplements or diets hoping something works, but without testing, you have no idea what's really draining your energy, whether it's toxins, mold, nutrient depletions, stress hormones, or hidden infections. You end up wasting time and money instead of fixing the problem. Mistake number five is in ignoring stress and nervous system health. We have been taught to just power through, but chronic stress, even low level, keeps your body in fight or flight mode, which drains your energy reserves every single day. Learning to regulate your stress response is one of the most overlooked steps to rebuilding your energy. Now, at this point, you've heard me say a few times tonight that supplements won't fix your fatigue, and that's true. When you just grab random products off the shelf without knowing what your body actually needs, you're just guessing, and your body deserves better than guesswork. But here's where targeted science-backed supplementation as part of a bigger strategy can make a real difference. BCATP is one of the tools I use with my clients to help jumpstart your mitochondrial function and give their cells the raw materials they need to start producing energy again. Think of it as helping your body get out of that emergency low power mode so you can actually start to feel the benefits of the bigger plan. The key here is it's not a magic pill. It's not meant to replace addressing toxins, stress, sleep, and your circadian rhythm, but it can help give you more bandwidth so you can start tackling those other layers without feeling completely drained. So if you've been stuck in that fatigue cycle and you're finally ready to get your energy back, BCATP may be part of the plan we build for you. If you want to find out whether it's right for your body in your specific situation, you can go ahead and call the office as well too. And I'll schedule that discovery call to talk a little bit about how you can get feeling like yourself again, and we can decide whether BCATP fits into your plan. So of course, no supplement alone can fix everything. Real energy comes from stacking the right strategies. There are 3 pillars to fully restoring your energy. One of those is mitochondrial support. Things like BCATP and targeted nutrients that protect and rebuild your mitochondria. Number 2, being stress resilience, learning to manage your stress response so you're not burning through your cellular resources every day. That can mean deep breathing, nervous system regulation, boundaries, all the little things that help your body feel safe and calm. Number 3 is circadian optimization, aligning your body with its natural rhythms. That means getting your morning sunlight, cutting blue light out at night, keeping a regular sleep schedule so your mitochondria can repair and recharge while you sleep. When you put all 3 together, you're not just fixing fatigue, you're building resilience and energy that actually last. So here's the big takeaway. You're not broken, and you don't have to settle for feeling tired all the time. You just need to give your body and your cells what they've been asking for all along. So tonight, you learned what drains your energy, how to break the fatigue cycle, and where to start rebuilding your energy at the cellular level. So the question is, are you ready to feel like yourself again? So here's what I want you to remember tonight. You're not broken. You don't have to settle for feeling tired all the time either. You just need to give your body and your cells what they've been asking for all along. Tonight, we've uncovered what drains your energy, how to break the fatigue cycle, and where to start rebuilding your energy at the cellular level. The question now is, are you ready to finally feel like yourself again? If you'd like help figuring out what this looks like for you, I'd love to invite you to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call. This is your chance to talk with me one-on-one about what you've been struggling with and how I can help you uncover whether this kind of cellular support could make a difference for you. There's no pressure. It's just a conversation to help get you clarity and map out a next step. All you need to do is call the office at 814-624-0606 extension 2 to schedule your free call. You can choose to meet with me virtually from anywhere or right here in the office, whichever works best for you. So please don't feel like you have to figure this out on your own. You deserve to feel vibrant, focused, and recharged, and I'd love to help get you there. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, and I can't wait to talk with you soon.